A viewer asked me how to put a square hole through a cone. So I found a couple of ways to do this. So here we go. I'm going to make a new design, and we're going to make a cone. P for pull. Select the top face here. Now we can conify it. We can drag it that way or that way, up or down. We'll do a cone like that. We can in fact make it into a point if we want to. Pull and pull that. Whee. Okay. Now to put a square hole in here. Now there are two ways. Well, there's several ways, but if you want the cone, if you want the hole parallel with or at right angles to the slope here, simply go to the select tool, select the slope, then K key, press the K key to get a sketch plane. Now if you rotate it a bit, you'll see that the sketch plane is orientated on the face. So press the V key to square it up. Then we can select the rectangle. I'm going to put one down the middle. So okay, we'll make it a square. Right. Now P for pull. If we rotate it, we see that it's running parallel to the surface. Now with the pull tool activated, select it, and then select cut. So we're going to cut through, square it around a bit so we can drag it, then just drag it, and we've got a square cut through at that angle. But if we want to cut it parallel to the base here, what we'll need to do is again select the base, press the K key to get a sketch plane. Now down here, this little arrow pointing up, select that, and we're going to turn this sketch plane through 90 degrees. Oh, I've got it 90. Perfect. Then just drag it off. V. I think we're going to run into this hole, but it just shows the principle. So now again another rectangle somewhere about here. P for pull. Select on negative, and we've got it running through parallel to the base. So that's how to put a square hole in a cone. Hope you might find that useful and interesting. Bye.